watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Explore 50 inventive DIY farmhouse home decor ideas to infuse rustic charm into every corner of your home. Transform your living space into a rustic haven with these easy and budget-friendly projects that add warmth and personality to your home. I'm starting with these DIY restoration hardware book set by Cherish Bliss. Transform old books into stylish decor pieces. DIY watercolor basket by Delineate Your Dwelling. Add color with a painted basket makeover. Vintage chair makeover by Anderson and Grant. Update chairs with paint and fabric for charm. Pom-pom pillow by The Real Thing with the Koch family. Make cozy pillows with playful pom-poms. White dresser makeover by Crafted Sparrow. Refresh old dressers with a fresh coat of paint. Oversized letters by Mini House, Mighty Hearts. Personalize your space with large letters. Glam Dresser Makeover by Lolly Jane. Transform dressers with chic paint and hardware. White and Blue Home Office by the 36th Avenue. Design a serene workspace with blue accents. DIY Farmhouse Writing Table by Cherish Bliss. Build a rustic writing table for a cozy workspace. Bedroom Decor Ideas by Setting for 4. Transform your bedroom into a luxurious sanctuary with timeless elegance. DIY Hanging Lantern by Worthing Court. Add a touch of rustic charm to your entryway with this simple yet stylish lantern project. DIY Door Hall Tree by Liz Marie Blog. Elevate your entryway with this functional and beautiful hall tree project. Distressed Farmhouse Shelf by Anderson and Grant. Bring character to your kitchen with this adorable distressed shelf. Stencil DIY House Number Buckets by Setting for 4. Enhance your outdoor decor with these charming stenciled house number buckets. Remember to watch until the end for more farmhouse decor ideas that will inspire your next project. Get inspired to elevate your home with these charming farmhouse DIY ideas. Explore more creative projects and make your space uniquely yours. Happy crafting!